Oh. Oh.
I bought tires and stud.
It's working. It's, well, goddamn. Girls just wanna have fun. Right? I think that's the lyrics. For a hill ride, let's get her. Yeah! So elegant. Yes, sir. You can go now. I'm trying to remember, that was the easier way. That was the easier way, oh well. Stick to the line and commit. Yes, sir. Oh God, that's a hill. Okay. Nice and easy down there, Susan. There we go. Let her know you're hungry. Supper time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Almost ate it. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Respect the trail. If he did it, I gotta do it. You chose the other one. Oh, this ought to be good. One wrong move and you die? Yeah, sounds about right. Oh yeah, okay. Nice and easy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. I mean, I guess. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Coming down is pretty easy.
Oh, see, I like going up today. I don't like going down. I like going up today.
I was almost committed to go that freaking steeper hill climb behind your Robert. I see you get all kinds out of shape. It's like,
yeah, don't get stuck behind me.
I'm gonna go to the easy line.
I'll follow. Don't do what I do. You know, if you do what I do, you're just an idiot. Don't do what I do. Oh, he's going for it. Don't say that. Don't say that.
That's what always gets me in trouble every time.
Oh, he got it. Holy shit, he did it. Son of a bitch. So where's the easy trail? Is it over there? Where's the cheater trail? Just gonna send it. All right. Woo! my God, we made it. Oh, I'm coming. Hold on there, Susan. There he is. Yeah, get her, son. Yeah! Here on the YouTubes, we're all about the quality content. You ready, Susan? Okay. You got the stuff, some stuff. Aha! Now we are ready. Susan, we got her. No worries. Yes, sir. Whoa, that... I almost hit that tree, like straight on. It's like, oh please, God.
Oh, there was one, I was sideways. I don't know how he saved it.
Yeah, that was sketch. That was sketch. That's how she's done right there. Fucking Minty. Whoa. Oh. This is turning into suicide quick. That's it. Just finagle her now. Just give her the little finagle. Okay, I think we're just about ready to rumble here. Well, this sucks. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh God. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, she's eating. Oh, look at that thing eat. Hell yeah! Yeah, I got her. Nice.
Hey, he's still going.
Hell yeah, he's not stopping. Oh, now he lost her.
He's done now.
He's a professional. There's a reference of how freaking steep that is. Good Lord. He got her though. Nailed it! Very nice!